Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Eclipse IDE in Windows 10 operating system. So let's begin. Now to install Eclipse IDE, you need to first download it. So for that, just simply go to your favorite browser and in the address bar just simply type Eclipse download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this www.eclipse.org is basically our first search result. So you just simply click on Eclipse downloads, and this will going to redirect you to this official site of Eclipse Foundation. In here you need to just simply scroll down a bit and we'll be getting this Get Eclipse IDE 2021-06. So this is basically the download button. So download x86_64. So just simply click on that to basically download our Eclipse IDE, and you can clearly see it has rightly redirect you to this page, and here they have rightly assigned to a server. So just simply click on download button to basically start downloading our Eclipse IDE. So thank you for your download, and our download has been rightly started. So just simply click on show all, and you can clearly see it is now currently downloading. Since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it, and if I just simply minimize my browser and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see this Eclipse has been rightly downloaded over here, and the file size is 110 MB. To install, just simply double click on it, and you can clearly see our Eclipse installer has been rightly open. So just minimize our download directory, and you can clearly see our Eclipse installer has been rightly open. In here you can use Eclipse IDE for several languages. I'm going to use this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You can use it for C and C++ programming, then also for embedded C and C++ development, for PHP, for DSL developer. You can use this Eclipse IDE for several other languages. But in this video I am going to show you how to use Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So for that I am going to just simply select this Java developers, and you can clearly see it has rightly shown this Java developers, Eclipse IDE for Java developers, right? Now the thing is, you need to have Java installed on your machine. To check whether Java is installed on your machine, you need to just simply go to your command prompt, and in here just simply type Java space -- version, then enter, and you can clearly see our Java 16.0.2 has been rightly installed on our machine, right? So this is a very important step. You need to first install Java before installing Eclipse IDE. So since I have already installed Java, you can clearly see this path has been rightly shown over here. If you face any difficulty in installing Java, then please do watch this video. I'll be putting this link in the description. So there I have clearly shown you how to install Java, that is basically the latest version of Java 16.0.2 in your Windows 10 operating system. So please do watch that video, and then just install that, and you will be getting this path over here, right? So since I have already installed Java, and our path has also been rightly set, so just simply check everything as default, and then just simply click on install to basically start installing our Eclipse IDE. And now it's showing this user agreement, so this license and all, you can always read that, right? And for the time being I just simply click on accept now to save our time, and you can clearly see our Eclipse installer has been rightly started installing our Eclipse IDE. So this will maybe going to take a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back after installing Eclipse IDE. Yep. So we'll come back, and now as you can clearly see our Eclipse IDE has been rightly installed, and our launch button has also been enabled. So just simply click on launch, and you can clearly see our Eclipse IDE 2021-06 is now currently launching. So it is now currently asking to set our directory as workspace. So I'm going to keep this as a default and then just simply click on launch. And you can clearly see our Eclipse IDE 2021-06 is now currently starting. So since I am installing Eclipse IDE for the first time, this is taking a bit longer time. So after installation, it will not take that much amount of time. That is what it is taking now. Okay, so our Eclipse IDE has been rightly launched, and this is basically the interface of our Eclipse IDE. In here, let us first give some time to basically download all packages that you can clearly see right at the bottom. So just simply give us some time, and it has rightly completed. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to create a simple hello world program and how to run them. So for that, just simply click on that icon, and you can clearly see this package explorer has been rightly expanded, and in here you need to just simply click on this create a Java project. So just simply click on that, and this will going to open this new Java project window. In here you need to provide a project name. So let's give the project name as hello world. Yep. And to you need to set this to Java SE 16, right? And keep everything as a default, and then just simply click on finish. And now it's telling that whether we'd like to create a module info.java. So for the time being, I don't want to create any module, so just simply click on don't create, and you can clearly see our hello world project has been rightly created. In here you need to just simply click on this drop down icon, and then you'll be seeing this GRE system library, and below that you'll be getting this src folder. So just simply select this src folder, then right click on it, and then just simply hover over new, and then just simply click on class. So we are basically adding a class in our src directory. So in here we need to give a class name. So let's give the class name as hello world only. So hello world, and we want this class as our main class. So for that, what we will do is we will just simply check this public static void main over here. So just simply check this and keep everything as a default, and then just simply click on finish. And this will going to generate our hello world.java class. You can clearly see this hello world.java class has been rightly launched over here. So they have already given a template, this public static void main string args, right? So in here, let's say we want just to show hello world in our console. So for that, just simply type system.out.println, and then we just going to print hello world. So hello world, right? And then you need to just simply end with a semicolon, and then you can clearly see we have rightly written a simple code snippet to basically print hello world. And now if you just simply click on this run button, this is going to show you save and launch. So just simply click on OK to basically save our program, and it will going to launch, and our hello world has been rightly shown in our console, right? So in this way you install Eclipse IDE in Windows 10 operating system. I have rightly shown you how to install, and then I have also shown you how to run a simple hello world program in our Java environment. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do share and like this video if you really like it, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.